The Magic of FANBOYS, your guide to coordinating conjunctions. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our Grammar Fundamentals series. Today we're diving into a fun and essential aspect of English grammar: coordinating conjunctions. To make our journey easy and memorable, we'll use a fantastic acronym known as FANBOYS. Stick with us to unravel the magic of FANBOYS. Before we move to FANBOYS, let's quickly brush up on what coordinating conjunctions are. Coordinating conjunctions are words that join two or more words, phrases, or clauses so that each joined component is equal. They help us connect ideas and maintain the flow in our sentences. Now let's reveal the secret of FANBOYS. This acronym stands for the 7 coordinating conjunctions in English: for, and, nor, but, or, yet. So, each letter in FANBOYS corresponds to the first letter of these conjunctions. Easy to remember, isn't it? In this section, we're going to examine how each of these conjunctions works within a sentence. For is used to explain a reason or purpose, similar to because. Example: she must be at home, for her car is in the driveway. And is used to add information. Example: I like apples and bananas. Nor is used to present a negative alternative to an already negative statement. Example: I don't like spinach, nor do I like Brussels sprouts. But is used to show a contrast. Example: it is a cheap car, but it is very reliable. Or is used to present alternatives or choices. Example: you can have tea or coffee. Yet is used to introduce a contrast or contradiction, similar to but. Example: he is rich, yet he lives modestly. So is used to show a result or effect. Example: it was raining, so I took my umbrella. And that's the magic of FANBOYS. By using this handy acronym, you can remember and correctly use all 7 coordinating conjunctions in English. We hope you found this lesson helpful. Continue practicing and you'll soon master the art of using coordinating conjunctions. See you in our next lesson, Language Explorers.